Namaste, friends. Big money came back, and this time, it stayed for more than one day. CryptoPovar Alert of the day. Four green ETF days, one after another. Bitcoin kept drawing institutional dollars. From August 3rd through August number 6, around 763.6 went into the mix. The latest day brought 137.6, and BlackRock, our bit, led most of the lift. 128.3 came through that door. Not just one green day, now we are watching more. One inflow day can fade away, but several in a row have more to say. Big capital is moving, but price must answer to the flow. Gives us support, not a guaranteed move. Big money stays 4 days in a row. Bitcoin ETF capital keeps starting to flow. Big money stays, but we still need proof. Alert of the day. Watch price confirm the move. And Ethereum too. 3 positive days. Institutional attention is widening its gaze. Less noise, more signal. No rush, no chase. CryptoPovar watches if the flow can keep its pace. Ethereum funds join the positive run. 3 green trading days now counted as one. Around 92.1 came through on day 3, and roughly 206 across the streak we see. Bitcoin holds near 64.9, Ethereum near 191, still waiting for its time. The kitchen feels warmer, but fear has not gone, and broad altcoin season still has not turned on. ETF demand is stronger, that part is clear, but price confirmation still needs to appear. If inflows continue and both the leaders respond, then this institutional story can become more strong. One inflow day can fade away, but several in a row have more to say. Big capital is moving, but price must answer to the flow. Gives us support, not a guaranteed move. Big money stays 4 days in a row. Bitcoin ETF capital keeps starting to flow. Big money stays, but we still need proof. Alert of the day. Watch price confirm the move. And Ethereum too. 3 positive days. Institutional attention is widening its gaze. Less noise, more signal. Stay calm, watch the pace. CryptoPovar waits to see if demand becomes the base. 4 days Bitcoin, 3 days Ethereum, capital return. Trend to confirmation, still ahead.